Okay, be honest. You did laundry, clean clothes, warm from the dryer, folded into a perfect little pile, a masterpiece. And your cat looked at it and walked right past it, straight to the hoodie, the gym one, the sweaty one, the one you were honestly a little embarrassed to leave out. And they just flop, full body flop, like it's a five-star hotel. What is going on in that fuzzy little head? If you love your cat and you're slightly concerned by their life choices, welcome. You're my people. Let's get into it. So here's the deal. Your cat lives in a world made of smell, like drowning in it. They've got around 200 million scent receptors up that little nose. We've got about 5 million. We are basically smelling the world through a straw. So when you drop a worn shirt on the floor, your cat doesn't think, ew, laundry. Your cat thinks, jackpot. Because that shirt doesn't smell dirty to them. It smells like you. Your skin, your snacks, that one coffee shop, your whole entire day soaked right in. And you, my friend, are their favorite smell on earth. You're the snack provider, the warm lap, the big soft human who comes home every day. So when you're not around, your stinky clothes are basically a low budget version of you. A you they can lie on top of. No complaints from you. Perfect roommate. But here's the part that gets me. Cats mix their smell with the smells they love. It's how they go, yep, this is my family, this is home. So when your cat steals your clothes and marinates in them, they're blending their scent into yours, which in cat roughly translates to, you're mine now, I've decided, it's done. So, congrats, you've been claimed by laundry. And this isn't me making it up to feel special. People who study cats have looked into this for years. Your familiar smell genuinely calms them down, lowers the stress. So that gym hoodie you keep forgetting to wash, to your cat, that's a comfort blanket, a spa, a weighted blanket that smells like their favorite person. You're welcome, I guess. So, quick tip, stop kicking them off the pile, you monster. If your cat keeps robbing your closet, just hand one over. An old shirt you've actually worn, tuck it into their bed or their little corner. And next time you go away, leave one behind. You'll be giving them the single comfiest thing they own. The smell of you. They will be thrilled. In a very quiet, judgmental cat way. So yeah, that sad pile of laundry you keep meaning to deal with, to your cat, it's the safest, comfiest, most wonderful spot in the entire house. Because it smells like the one they trust most, which is you, the sweaty hoodie person. Congratulations. Stick around. I make more of these, and your cat clearly has a lot more explaining to do.